Hey y'all, this Shanae, and I decided to go ahead and make a video. I'm about to eat the lettuce that I pulled yesterday from my garden. So I'm not really in the mood for like salad right now, and it's like, girl, get your life together. You made it, so now you have to eat it. You know what I'm saying? But I was like, I'm gonna just make a small salad, something, small, just so I can try to get like an idea of how it tastes. And I decided I'm gonna make a Caesar salad. So I got my Caesar dressing, I got some Parmesan cheese, and some croutons. Usually I like a good garden salad, and I we'll add like cucumber, tomato, but I don't have no cucumber, so we doing what we gotta do to get this video out there. This is my first time trying my lettuce that I made from seed back in January. So yeah, I'm not gonna do it like a whole bowl situation, only a little bit. So I just plucked it apart. I think that's gonna be pretty much it. They look good though. They are kind of like, I don't know, they're not as crunchy as I would want them to be for romaine, but okay, whatever. Add a little bit of dressing. Okay, a little bit, Shanae. God dang. A little bit. Whole lot of bit. And just flip that over. I might need to add one more thing of lettuce because I done overdid it with this salad dressing. So add some more lettuce in there, and I'll just eat that. All right, that still is a lot. I did too much. Did too much, Chad. Did too much. Okay, so I added another leaf of my lettuce. And again, I had been growing this lettuce starting out in jugs back in January when I first started doing jug sowing while it was still cold. Romaine lettuce is one of those cold plants, so like they don't mind being in cold temperature, so it thrived. This and the broccoli and cauliflower, they are thriving. They big, so I think those are probably like my easiest plants to grow if you're looking to like start some plants, or you like eat those things, and those will probably be some good ones to do. Just gonna add a few croutons, not a whole lot, just a few, like crumbs really, because they get so big. They like making big chops. I kind of like mine's a little crunchy, a little like crumbs. I don't like the big cubes, so I just put a little bit in there. And what that look like? Really a little bit in there. And let's try it out. So let me say my grace. So God, know, I need you to protect me. Please bless the hands that have prepared the meal. And God, please let this be nourishment to my body. Amen. Okay. It's a Caesar salad. It's a Caesar salad. Good. Not bad. I probably could add more lettuce. I put too much salad dressing on that. I might be eating this whole thing. But it's good. I like it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's definitely lettuce. Like, the texture of it was looking kind of flimsy, but it's got crunch. It's got crunch. It's good. Not bad. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep y'all posted on what else I'm growing in this backyard. And yeah, like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.